Take a ride in the 2019 Infiniti Qx50. The Infiniti Qx50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the QX50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The QX50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Come take a test drive today.
Infiniti maintains exclusive requirements for our certified pre-owned vehicles. With warranty, roadside assistance, and a thorough inspection, you can have complete peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Infiniti Certified Pre-Owned program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.